What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on XYO, which has been dropping in value over the last few days, as you guys can see, after the major pump. So we're going to be going through what is next for XYO and essentially looking at its targets for the rest of November, December and going into 2025. What can we accept? So as you guys can see, in my last update on XYO where it was pumping like crazy, I did warn you guys, do expect it to go for a little bit of a price correction, which is currently going through. And as you guys can see at the bottom here, we have the RSI, which is currently at 55, which is good. Doesn't mean it means that it's not overvalued or undervalued, so it is pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to. And at the top here we have the Bollinger Band, and as you guys can see earlier on in the week, so when it was on the upper band, that makes sense as to why it was overvalued. And as I mentioned, it is dropping back down, and right now it is in the upper part of the Bollinger Band, which is quite good. So right now it is pretty much on target, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So we should expect it to more or less trade around its current price range with minimal dips in value over the coming hours, and potentially for the rest of the week as well. It will most likely start to hit more red candlesticks unless we see Bitcoin heading to the $100,000 mark. Yes, Bitcoin right now, let's have a look at that. It's currently trading around $98,000. Well, it's fluctuating between $97,000 and $98,000. So if it stabilizes around that price range, then of course yes, XYO is also likely to hit more red candles and dropping down in value. However, if we do see Bitcoin heading up to $100,000, which I am expecting it to do so early next week, then we will see increases in value in the crypto market as well as XYO. So in the last 24 hours it has dropped 5%, and as you guys can see over the last week it is still 44% up. However, since the 19th of November, which was about 3 days ago, it has been hitting red candles and dropping down in value. So let's get rid of the RSI and also the Bollinger Band. Again guys, before I say anything further, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. And also make sure, if you haven't done yet, go down and hit that subscribe button and like the video. So at the moment we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart, so let's zoom in into the four hours chart guys. As you guys can see, yes, it went through a crazy increase in value. In fact, let's zoom in a little bit more. So if we draw out the value since its pump all up until now, it is still up. However, since the major pump that took place earlier this week, it is down quite a bit. So if we get rid of this once again, as you guys can see, this is the highest level it has been to, and right now it is dropping down to this current value, and it is likely to drop down further down into the purple zone if Bitcoin doesn't hit $100,000. Down to 0.0065 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to trade out over the weekend and early next week as well. But the fact that is that, let's draw a few arrows here. So as you guys can see, it's been dropping, likely to drop a little bit further over the weekend and then potentially bounce back up above the green line is where I'm expecting XYO to be trading at. Essentially by early next week it should start to slowly head back towards the positive direction. But again, XYO is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, and even the DEMA, so DEMA indicator, is currently valuing XYO at the blue, sorry, it's in green here at 0.007. The fact is that it is trading at a very similar value to where it's supposed to be. So at the moment it is not overvalued or undervalued, it is performing like it's meant to. So over, let's say by December, mid to late December, I'm expecting XYO to be heading upwards, heading towards the bullish direction, hitting higher values than where it is at the moment. Getting close to the 1 cent target by mid-December is where I'm expecting XYO to be trading at. So slow and steady increases in value after the little dips that are likely to take place over the weekend. And by mid-December, Bitcoin should be trading over $107,000, which should again bring the crypto market in a bullish direction, bring it back up, and we should see majority of the crypto market pumping. But again, I do keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market as to what I'm expecting and what I'm predicting from the crypto market. And here we can see when XYO was pumping, the trading volume did go up quite a bit. However, right now it has calmed down and is currently sitting at just about $3 million. But yeah, that is my take on this crypto, guys. Make sure to hit subscribe, like and comment, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and peace.